I'm doing this Crochet World magazine, February 2020, and all I asked is for this giveaway that you comment down below something crochet related, maybe videos you'd like to see or what you're working on. Also, I'm asking that you're a subscriber if you're not already, and all of my promotions are listed down below. I have the Knit Crate. If you're interested, you can do your first month 20% off. The promo code is Jewel20 listed down below. 2 books on Amazon that I wrote, Crochet for Beginners and Crochet Hats. It's all down below as well. So this Crochet World, I'll pick a winner in a couple weeks, and I have to be careful not to show pictures for copyright reasons, but I'm going to show you. Here's a really nice picture. You can tell me which one is your favorite. This is a nice sweater, tunic, and a nice beautiful shawl. And once you go through the magazine, all of the patterns are on the back. And since it was February, they do have a lot of heart patterns, which you could try for next year or even now. And I know a lot of people had made comments that they couldn't see on the last giveaway for the crochet book. So number 6 is this tunic. Number 8, if you can see it, is the shawl. An owl's, looks like a mask, or a nice cute little headband. 14 are coasters. And then cute, 16 is a cute little blanket. It looks like a whole little outfit for newborns. And 29, that's a really pretty, looks like placemat. And 28, 26 are doilies, 24 is a really cute bag. And 20 looks like a cute little heart rug. 33 scarf. And 34 is a nice beanie hat. 36 looks like a nice sweater. 38 a really nice throw, and 44 has a nice throw. 54 coasters, 58 a beanie, it looks like a messy bun hat. 52 really pretty throw afghan. 48, or this one's 50, it's looks like a doily. 48 looks like a really nice throw. 46 is another throw. So I hope you saw them all. I know it's hard to see when I do them close up like that. It just, it's hard to go through each pattern for copyright reasons to cover it up. So those were all of the patterns in this magazine, which is a nice, very nice patterns. You can tell me which one is your favorite, if you have a favorite. I think I love 24. That's so cute, that heart bag. And the scarf. Because I'm kind of over having babies, and I don't know anybody having a baby, but that baby number 16 is pretty cute. If you can see that one. And that tunic is really pretty too. You get the some nice yarn in that. Looks like a shawl. That's pretty as well. So anyways, these are all the patterns listed in this magazine. It is a giveaway, and it's Crochet World, and I believe I bought this one at the grocery store for only $5.99, so that's not too bad. And I will be sending this out to the winner. I'll keep picking a winner until I find a winner for this one. And just make sure you're a subscriber. Make sure you comment down below. You can tell me which one is your favorite. And that's it. Thank you for watching.